If you could get your marketing message in front of your target demographic group 28 times a day and save a life for under $2, would you do it? Let's look at the ways people interact with brands today and the costs involved. There's TV, very expensive, and most people DVR their favorite shows anyway and bypass the commercials. Radio, also expensive, and many people favor their iPods and smartphones so they can choose their own playlist. Newspapers, print, all costly and old ways of communicating. Today's preferred method of communication is called permission-based marketing. Savvy consumers are allowing or not allowing you to market to them. They are calling the shots. You need permission to sell to them. Now, you can deliver your marketing message to these hard-to-reach consumers where they live, in their homes, in the very epicenter of their living environment, in their kitchen, on their refrigerator, a place that is visited an average of 28 times a day by the average family. How? With the Vital Board. At first glance, it's a beautifully customized, branded 8.5 by 11-inch full-color, write-on, wipe-off magnetic memo board with a pen that mounts on the refrigerator door. You've seen these at office supply stores for as much as $10, and people love them. They're useful as a calendar, to jot notes on, schedule appointments, a variety of helpful tasks. You can even have a QR code imprinted on them that links to your mobile site for scheduling or helpful information. This is what permission-based marketing is all about. The customer is using your product every day for their needs and using it to interact with you. That's the product at first glance, and that's a great reason to gift these to your customers. Now, turn the Vital Board over and you'll see why our name says it all. On the back, you can list your family's vital health information. Medications, allergies, all your vital data. If there's ever a medical emergency in your home, all your vital information is in one place, saving time during an emergency when precious seconds could save a life, all for under $2. To help alert first responders to the location of the Vital Board, we include a weatherproof EMS info sticker, which can be applied to the front door of your house. At Vital Boards, we are committed to making products that meet and exceed the needs of our customers, everyday scheduling and saving lives. We like to give back, too, by proudly donating 5% of the proceeds to a charity of your choice. There you have it, 2 sides, 1 valued product. First, you have your brand and custom graphics on a valued product that resonates with the needs of your customer, and a location that is seen 28 times a day, year after year. And secondly, in the event of a medical emergency, this board could save the life of a family member, all for under $2 each. Call us or drop us an email. Ordering is easy and turnaround time is quick. We have several convenient payment options, including a deferred billing program. If you want to capture mind share and give back at the same time, Vital Boards is the only marketing tool that you'll need.